Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another pre-literacy or foundational literacy lesson on phonics, and today we're going to be reviewing the sounds for R, L, and W. Alright, so first let's review the sounds that we've already learned so far. Again, try to make each sound. Pause the video while you do that, and then restart when you're ready to check.
A B G E S Z D.
All right, this time you're going to listen and mark down the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I'll play it again and mark the correct answer so that you can check.
D A B G K S Z E.
I'll play it again and fill in the answers.
D A B G K S Z E.
All right, now practice sounding out these words and then reading the words. And then when you're ready to hear your answers, restart the video to check.
D A G Z. Dogs. G E T S. Gets. D I S K. Disc. S I T S. Sits. B A D. Bad. G A P. Gap.
All right, now we're going to learn a new sound, the R sound. So here, look at how we can write the capital R and the lowercase r. Pay attention to the mouth position and then listen and repeat.
R R R. Red. R A N. Run. T R I P. Trip.
All right, now try reading these words, sounding them out, and then reading the words on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers.
R I B. Rib. R A P. Rap. R A N. Ran. I, drip.
All right, now we'll practice the L sound. And here is how we write the capital L and the lowercase l. Pay attention to the mouth position for the L, and then listen and repeat.
O, O, O. Lion. O, E, T. Let. P, A, O. Pal. K, O, B. Club.
All right, again, practice sounding out and then reading these words, and then you can restart the video to listen and check.
O, A, P. Lap. O, I, S, T. List. O, I, P. Lip. E, O, P. Help.
Right, here's another new sound, the W. And this is how we write both the capital and the lowercase w. And pay attention to the mouth position, open very wide for the W. And now listen and repeat.
W, W, W. Water. W, I, N. Win. S, W, I, M. Swim.
All right, now practice sounding out and reading these words. Restart the video when you're ready to check.
W, E, B. Web. W, E, N, T. Went. W, E, T. Wet. T, W, I, G. Twig.
All right, now again, practice sounding out and then reading these words. And restart the video when you're ready to check.
O, A, G. Flag. F, O, I, P. Flip. W, I, N, D. Wind. S, W, M. Swam. W, E, S, T. West. K, O, B. Club.
Right, here are a few more words to practice. Again, sound them out, read the word, then listen and check.
T, w, I, n, twin, k, e, n, ken, e, d, red, k, a, b, crab, k, l, a, p, clap, g, I, n, grin.
All right, this time you'll listen and write the words that you hear, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
Went, wet, ran, win, red, web,
All right, I'll play it again and fill in the answers.
went, wet, ran, win, red, web.
All right, so again, review these sight words because you can't sound these out.
Is, was, he, said, I.
All right, now read these sentences and then listen to check.
The flag flips in the wind. Len swam west. The web is wet. Ken has a twin.
All right, now we're going to read a story. So again, read each sentence, then listen to check.
The red crab ran to the flag. I win, he said. He claps and grins. That was fun, he said.
All right, now practice reading the whole story. You can pause the video while you do that and then restart when you're ready to hear the story again.
The red crab ran to the flag. I win, he said. He claps and grins. That was fun, he said.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.